I label the body parts by using arrows, but no boxes. Like just write them. So yung malaking body, I added some arrows on the body, external body parts. External means outer, and internal means inside.
Okay. Tapos?
I'm gonna share something to Dad. Dad, in the 7th week, we're gonna go somewhere in Monday because 7 is a lucky number.
Oh, yes. Maybe, yeah. Gumawa ka na naman ng celebration? Bakit gumagawa ka niya lagi ng celebration time?
7th week 1. Kung 13th week, a very unlucky day, walang sorpresa.
Ganon.
Dapat maraming assignments sa araw na yan.
Ay, ganon.
At maraming study pa.
Ay, sus Mario. Very unlucky
Nautugan
na.
yun.
Dito. Dito ang bahay natin.
Hindi.
Hindi.